going back to help out with the Allegro Club now. And Remi wants to go into the auction room, so I said, please take the camera and see what's in there, because I think there's a Land Rover Lightweight. Not 100% sure, but
never know.
See what you can find.
Okay. Got a Lamborghini Hector. Here we go. Here's the lightweight. No ownership, manual reports. Lots and lots of potential. We know it makes sense to use one fine, so by definition, becoming rare to find. Where is the living gentleman? What's the goal of 15,000? How long ago makes sense? Well, they were all done. 15,000 surely. 15,000. Very lightweight. Doesn't even have sides or bumpers. Surely, stop me. £6,000. £6,000. £6,000 if you will. £6,000 if you will. Yes or no? Six anywhere, six anywhere, six anywhere. Five, I'll take the start. Get us away. £5,000 with 10 and 5 in another place. And £5,000 with 500 if you will. And 5 with 5 and 5 with 500. And £5,000.
Here we have Alex popping carburetor back together, eh?
Yes, I was just about to shout welcome to hell. So, on the Allegro Club stand we have Andrew Mackenzie's car here. And Andrew is a young man, aren't you, Andrew? On a tight budget, and he uses this car daily. So I am now trying to make the carburetor do things, what's the word? Well, just work basically, make it work. It works, but it uses a lot of fuel, so we're just changing a few things and adjusting a few. So I've been around the auto jumble and I found a few little things to fit to this carburetor. A new gasket for the float chamber, a new, I don't know if you can see it in there, float needle valve. New gaskets for the mating surface because the gaskets that were on there were awful, so it could have been sucking in some excess air. But the sad thing is it's got this on the bottom of it, and it's some kind of wax stack, and a few people have said that they're rubbish and that we should throw it away, but we can't find anything to replace it with, so unfortunately we're going to have to put this one back on. I'm having a good screw.
All high technical procedures requires a metal splint.
A wooden stick poking the little rubber seal in there.
In there.
I shouldn't have put my best leggings on for this. Right, we've got to shove this in here somehow. Oof. Is it in? You've heard that before, Remi, haven't you?
Don't know what you mean.
Is it in? I'm wondering if I should have put the rubber thing on the pipe and then pushed it in. It's quite funny. I think that'll be the best bet. And then shove it all in. Minus the wooden stick. It's in. I can feel it. Shove it in. Clip it on. Interesting. We're a bit concerned as to why Andrew has a floppy one. I've not seen that before. Mine's firm. It's not floppy. But it goes in and out well. It's not even flat. This is not the way to do it. I am merely just looking to see if this is lined up, but I really don't think this stick is flat. I don't know. The dashpot is going on. No gaskets required. Just a bit of oil to dampen it. There's only so much screwing you need to watch. This Please, can someone tell me what this is? Because I have no idea. It's a little squishy thing. It's not vacuum powered. And it was sat on this bracket down here. It was bolted on here. I'll show you. Bolted on there, and that's the accelerator linkage. But the accelerator linkage goes up like that, and this was not touching it. So I don't know if it's some kind of damper or what. I have no idea.
Hey Alex, what was the important thing that we missed?
The important thing I missed because I got carried away screwing. We forgot to put Zebedee in. This lives inside the dashpot.
Oh, I just can't
Remi got me a cheese and onion pasty. And I've run out of seats. So I'm sat on him.
Help!
On my Rover watch, you've still got a couple of minutes until the end of the show. Thankfully, we've managed to get Andrew's car started and running, but we don't think it can stop anymore. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be any fluid going through the master cylinder apparently, so not good. Morticia's back together. Morticia has clutch and brakes, and she runs, so that's good. This car's been trailered home. I'm sure it runs fine, it just hasn't got a driver's seat. And yeah, the end is coming, so I'll keep you here ready for all the manic beeping. Yeah, he's priming his Allegro there, look. My friend Steve Denton is up there with his P6. You hear his Dixie horns going off. They're really loud. Look at the watch again. Oh, look. The few trying to do an early little beep. We have to wait for the announcement to come over the tannoy. Remi's recording me recording as well. I just realised they've cleaned the moss off of that one. Can't do that, sacrilege. Is Morticia going to get the horn? Yeah, Morticia's going to get the horn. Well, unfortunately, I don't think Andrew's is going to get the horn. You going to get horny, Andrew? No, he's stressed. I shouldn't laugh. He's got no brakes. Here we go, here we go. desperately trying to get the brakes to work on his Allegro so he can actually drive home. Colin and Graham are packing up the regalia. Sarah Crabtree's there in her Morris Ital there. Don't know what they're up to. We've had lots of cars leave. I saw Lyndon go past in the midget as well, but I didn't get to wave.